Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to bind keys, how to change key bindings in Wildgate. To do it, click in menu in top right corner, then go to options. Now go to mouse and keyboard and scroll down a little bit. And now you can find movement, loadout, communication, as well as miscellaneous and ship helm. So basically everything can be set here, and to set it you'll need to first select you can see that all of these can have two different keys binded. Like for example, for quick melee, there's V or fourth button on the mouse. And yeah, so let's change the sprint, for example. You need to click on it, then press on any key to assign to the action you chose. I'll select right shift instead of left shift, and you can set a second one as well if you want, and let's set left shift as well, so both shifts will work. And you can do that for all the different keys, or you can click on X to delete all, or click on that button to go back to the default one. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.